Good morning everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you on how I teach my 3-year-old toddler. So if you're interested to know how and what
So
I
there
teach
are
her,
many
just keep on
things
watching.
that I do on
Say
how to
hi.
start teaching and how to start motivating my child or my toddler to start studying. So for this video or for today's study time, I played a YouTube video ABC for my kid so that she will be motivated and learning will start funnier and livelier for her. As also you can see in this video, I gave my baby a notebook and a pen so that she can draw whatever she wants and she can draw and imitate the letters on the video. Moving on to this learning material which I made. So as you can see, my baby is erasing the one that she drew and now she's tracing the number. And I made this learning material and it is really very productive and very essential for a toddler like her because she can write and then erase immediately as she wants. So this learning material was downloaded from Pinterest. I recommend you use Pinterest for searching such learning materials for toddlers or activity sheets because there are so many free materials that you can get and download. I thought of printing the soft copies of this learning material which I got from Pinterest, and I thought of putting it here on a sliding folder so that my baby can reuse it moreover and for many times as she wants.
Gab, what is this? It's letter? Very good. It's letter A. Okay, what is this?
A apple.
Very good. It's an apple. This one, what is this?
B.
Very good. This one.
Cat.
Very good. This one.
Duck.
Very good. Okay, this one.
Egg.
Very good. What about this one?
Fish.
Very good. Oh, this one.
Wait lang, ito na to.
Okay.
Buti tayo ganda.
What are you doing? You're erasing it? Bara mo? Okay, later, bara ni Mami. Okay, what is this, Gab?
Teachers.
It's a
There.
girl. Very good. What about this one?
Heart.
Oy, galing ah. Heart.
Outside.
This one is a igloo.
Ito.
Or this one, what is this?
Taboye!
Strawberry. Strawberry jam.
Taboye.
Strawberry jam.
Taboye.
Okay, this one, Gab. What is this?
Taboye.
Gab, dali finish natin na.
Taboye.
What is this?
Taboye.
This is a kite.
Taboye.
This.
Lion.
Very good. It's a lion. And this one is a... What is this, baby? Moon.
Tapos, dog.
What is this? Is this a dog? Oh, what is this?
Ito na.
What is that? Gab, what is this? Octopus. Very good. This one, numbers. Gab, look at this one. Gab, look at this one, please. Numbers.
Bad numbers.
Numbers. This one is a...
Bad.
What bad? Hindi bad yun. What is this? This is a
Bad.
twin.
Bad.
This one.
So let's have a closer look in this sliding
Ayaw mo na
folder or
mag-study.
learning material which I made for my baby or our baby. So this is a sliding folder as you can see. So I printed the soft copy of this learning material which I got from Pinterest. I decided to print this learning material and put it here in a sliding folder so that my baby can reuse it and it saves a lot of pieces of paper, and all you have to do is to get a watermark pen. And now I am going to show to you the other learning materials that I let my baby use. So I have here books. So these are the books that my baby used. So for ABC or alphabets, and then she also has for numbers, and she also has a lot of religious books because I really want my kid or toddler to learn about Jesus and all of the religions and all the heavenly people, because it's very important for me. At her young age, I want her to keep her faith in the Lord and always believe in Him.
Let me show
And
this one.
because
Later.
I
Thank you,
also
baby.
want her
Papakita
to
mo
fall
na
in
naman
love
ito, no?
with Jesus and with God and Mary and
This
so
is the
on.
story of
It's me.
Jesus.
Let me get this.
Okay, what is that, Gab?
It's
Okay, these are letters.
At the unit.
Letters. Okay.
Put it
This is one of Gab's favorite book. Jesus is Born. So, lagi kong kinikwento sa kanya to, guys. And gustong-gusto niya. Na-memorize niya na tong kwentong to. Kaso, nasira lang siya. Pero, it's okay. So, nandyan lang naman siya. And pwede nating idikit. Then, we also have here
number three.
numbers.
Number three.
Here. Okay, Gab. A, B, C, and then numbers yung hawak ni Gab. Happy ka? Wow.
I wish
Okay, so another book here.
Yeah, the
So, Gab has a lot of
That
books
is
and
a
then,
book.
okay, wow, it's a book. Treetop Twins!
number
Yay!
three.
And then, ito yung paint ni Gab. So, meron siyang tatlong ganito and then naubos na kasi kaka-paint ni Gab. Mahilig kasi siyang mag-paint. Very artistic ang baby natin. So, ayan siya. Ubos na. And then, pencil case na. Sobrang dami niyang colors and pens, guys. Kaso na nga, ubos lahat and na misplaced. So, binilhan din namin siya ng napakalaking napakalaking color pens. Yung lalagyan niya napakalaki. Maraming color pens, color pencils, rulers, and so on. Pero naubos na rin. And ubos na rin, wala. So, tinapon ko na lang para bawas kalat. So, ayan din. So, Gab, pakita mo nga. It's Noah and the Ark. So, favorite din ni Gab yan. Hi! Noah and the Ark.
See?
Oh, napano daw si Noah and the Ark? Oh, ano nangyari dyan, Gab?
Tapos si animals.
Oh, kasama niya yung mga animals, no? Sinave ni Noah. Ginawa niya yung Ark, no? Okay. It's Noah and the Ark. Wow. Tapos ano? May rainbow na? Uy, ang galing naman. Saan yung rainbow? Patingin? Wow.
Ito yung bow. Ito yung dance.
Wow, galing. Yun yung sun.
Let me see.
So, Gab also has this little Red Riding Hood. So, ayan. So, ang dami niya ng sulat, guys. And napunit na. Kasi, binili ko to nung baby pa siya. I think when she was still 1 year old or about 2 years old. So, and then, meron din siyang writing pad, Dora Explorer. So, ayan. So, puno ng colors. So, binili ko din to when she was 1 to 2 year old. Ayan. So, here is the other Dora writing pad kasama nung maliit to. So, ayan. So, ang dami niyang sulat, shapes, and then her name. It's her name, Gab. So, this is my husband's writing or yes, this is my husband's writing. And okay, what is this one? This is Moana.
Moana. Here we go, see.
Wow, so big.
It's big.
Ayan, so nangasira na rin siya kasi baby pa lang siya nung binili ko rin ito. Binili ko to sa SM, yung bookstore, kung saan maraming sales. If I'm not mistaken, second floor yata yun. So, lagi akong pumupunta dun dati and then bumibili ng mga books. So, Moana, and then, eto pa, The Story of Lazarus. So, as you can see, guys, sobrang daming book ni Gab na about kay God or religious books kasi gusto ko and gusto namin na bata pa lang siya, makilala niya na agad sila God and other saints or heavenly people. Yay! Do you like Moana?
Yes.
Yes, you like Moana. This is what? What is this?
Too big.
Tubig. What is the English of tubig?
Wire.
Very good. Water.
Kasama niya to ibon.
Yes, kasama niya. Anong English ng ibon?
Boy.
Very good. Bird.
Yung papa niya ta.
Yes, papa ni Moana. Ang galing naman. So, papa ni Moana nasa malaking ship. Aalis sila.
Ito yung mama niya yun. Yeah. niya yung baby niya.
Hawak niya yung baby nila.
Oo. Ito yung bigay niya, big.
Big? Saan?
Yan po.
Ay, ito yung pig. Wow, ang cute ng pig.
Baby ka baby.
Baby. Love mo ba si Moana? Oh, this one, what is this, Gab?
Ito yung manok niya.
Manok.
Manok niya dad.
Oh, what is the English of manok? Chi?
See? See? Awa! Ganun ta.
What is the English of manok? Chi?
See?
Ano?
Meron ito.
Chi?
See? No.
Ano yung mga manok kilainang? Anong tawag mo doon?
Ayan.
Ducks and chicken. Okay, very good. Chicken. Okay. Oh, yan. Dito.
Ayan na.
Dito, wala. Wow, what is this, Gab?
Where's that tree?
Oh, ano tong mga to, Gab? What are this?
And the streamer. Orange,
Oo. Oh, Gab, what is this one? Oh, this one. Big mound. What are these? These are big?
mountain.
Very good. Mountains. Oy, look ko. Sino to?
Love niya yung daddy niya, oh.
Oo nga, love niya yung daddy niya. Ikaw, do you love your daddy?
Yes.
Yes.
Ay, di mo datataday yung ibon.
Pinuntan niya si Maui yan.
Oh, si Maria.
Ito si Moana.
Oo.
Anong oo?
Apo.
Opo, very good. Oh, si Defiti yan. Defiti. Si Defiti, naging nang mabait. Before,
Boy.
mabait siya, tapos naging bad. Tapos naging mabait ulit. Si Defiti. Ayan, si Defiti, Gab. Oh, galit siya dito. Kasi kinuha yung, ano niya, yung stone niya, yung heart niya. Heart niya yata yun. Tapos, nung nabalik na yung heart niya, di sure si mami kung heart yun. Nabalik na. Ayan. Ayun. So, nakalagay dito, was changing back to her true self. The goddess's heart was restored. So, nung na-restore na heart nga siya, nabalik, naging na siyang very beautiful. Oh, this one, what is this? So you also have classic stories. So, ayan. Classic stories. So, meron tayo dito sa classic stories na to na nabili ko rin sa SM. So, meron tayong stories as you can see here. We have Cinderella and Red Riding Hood. Ayan, the story of Lazarus.
And goodbye. Ayan ta.
Ay, ito si Jesus, Gab, oh. Oh. Oo, usap niya si Jesus, no?
Tapos, ito.
Little Red Riding Hood. Oh, si Little Red Riding Hood yan.
Ay, bag muna tayo to.
Tapos ito, meron din free Ronald Gang. So, ayan, free din yan. Kinuha na naman ni Gabing. And then, pang ilang whiteboard niya na to. So, binilan ko ulit siya ng whiteboard. Meron na siyang whiteboard dati, malaki and maliit. So, nasan yung isang maliit mo? Ay! Nalukot! So, ito yung isa niyang whiteboard na maliit. And then, binilhan ko siya ulit nito na mas malaki. And binilhan ko siya ng pentel pen. So, ito, katerno niya to, guys. So, very useful to kasi may eraser na. Binilhan ko rin siya ng other pentel pen na whiteboard marker. Color black din yon. And eraser na maliit, hindi ko alam kung nasaan na. Life of a Toddler. Okay, and then ito, guys, gawa ko rin to. So, pinrint ko. Ito yung ginawa ko sa Canva. Kung gusto nyong makita, meron akong yes, meron akong video sa Canva na kung saan ginawa ko to. And, as you can see, sa mga previous videos ko, nakalagay din doon, yung mga latest videos ko, nakalagay din doon yung link kung saan sinare ko tong file na to, soft copy. Download nyo lang and download nyo lang and print nyo na lang. Ready to print. Sharing is caring, guys. Ano yan, Gab? So, ito naman yung book ni daddy niya. So, Record Breakers. So, ayan. So, you can see here. Record Breakers, The Living World. Ayan. So, ayan. Ang favorite ni Gab. Favorite ni Gab.
Ito yung dinosaur.
Oh, favorite daw niya yung dinosaurs. Natakot si Mami.
Bulat na to.
Ay, nagulat ka? Sorry. So, ayan.
Wow.
Ang daming dinosaurs dito and iba-ibang animals. Diba, ancient animals and their history. And of course, so pakita ko ulit sa inyo yung ginawa ko. So, ayan sila. So, yung coloring, and then, meron tayo ditong count and mark.
Ay,
Yes?
diba doon?
Wow, it's the planet Earth and many animals. So, ayan. So, counting letters sa ginawa ko. So, download nyo lang guys. Shinare ko para makuha nyo and then print para mapagamit nyo tong worksheet na to sa inyong mga toddlers. And then, dinosaur coloring. As you can see, as I've mentioned, gustong-gusto ni Gab talaga yung dinosaur. Favorite niya. Ayan. So, numbers again and so many more. So, sana makatulong tong worksheet na ginawa ko, guys. So, ayan yung alphabet coloring. So, merong tigi-isa, merong magkakasama. Okay? Gab, are you enjoying?
Yes.
Yes. Study time?
Yes, it would be cool.
What is that? Oy, drawing ni Gab to. Ay, ganda naman. And color.
Say, ito to. O yan na. Mami ka pa. Utak ta.
Usap pa? Anong sabihin pa natin?
Amoy ita.
Wow. Oh, anong color ito? This one. What color is this? Yung kinolor mo.
Red.
What color is that?
Red.
Red. Red, orange.
My good sweet more.
Oh, this one is Little Red Riding Hood.
O, dito yung abo.
Oo.
Tapat-tabay niya.
Punta sa bahay nila, no? What is that? This is a wolf.
Wow. We will crispy. Yan na.
And by the way, guys, so ito yung mga learning materials ni Gab. And marami pa siyang learning materials na soft copy na nasa iPad. And other learning materials na ginamit niya dati. Ayan, she's so happy. Na ginamit niya dati na yung iba tinapon ko na kasi nasira na sila. So, ayun. So, mahilig talaga akong bumili ng mga learning materials ni Gab. Wow! Yay!
Sweet.
Ito pala yan. Ito, may notebook siya dito kung saan siya nagsusulat. So, ayan lang yung mga random lines na sinusulat niya, random colors na ginagawa niya. And this is one of her paintbrush. Ginagamit niya pag nagpipaint siya, di ba, Gab?
Yes.
Gab, do you love painting?
Yes.
Gusto mo nagpipaint? Okay. What is your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. Bakit gusto mo yung color pink?
Ngati, art and blue.
Kasi ayaw mo yung blue.
Oo, ba? Ano yung blue ba't?
Ba? Hindi ba yun? Ganda din yun.
Bakit?
Gusto mo yung pink kasi
Dati ano, tututun pink. Tunay.
cute yun.
What's yun?
Ito guys, yung other learning materials niya rin na dati pa. So, kinip ko muna dito. So, alam niyo naman pag mommies kayo, first time mommies, hindi nyo matapon yung mga first time na ginawa ng mga babies nyo, di ba? Ayan, like kayo sa video na to or comment kayo if you agree. So, ayan. Ito yung coloring pad or coloring paper na ginawa ko para sa kanya. So, the Snow White, ayan, kinulayan lang niya. And then, meron tayong ditong unicorn. So, ginawa ko to ng mga 1 to 2-year-old pa lang siya. So, randomly nagko-color si Gab just to keep her busy. And then, ito yung pinakaunang book na binili ko kay Gab. Kaso, gutay na siya, guys. This is The Ugly Duckling. So, ayan. Sobrang bata pa kasi ni... Hello! Nahanap mo. Wow! Very good. Number 2. So, kasi sobrang bata pa ni Gab nun. If I am not mistaken, months pa lang siya nun. Months pa lang, binilhan ko na siya nito and binabasa ko sa kanya. Diba kasi magandang basahan yung mga baby. So, ayan siya. The Ugly Duckling. So, pira-piraso na lang siya. And then, we have here flashcards. Ayan, na binili namin kasama yung lola ni Gab, si Inang, and sila, daddy niya. Thank you so much po. And then, here is the strips of paper na ginawa ko rin and pinrint ko. So, you have it brown, violet.
Tapos
And-
emoji me.
Okay, what is this? Tapos ito, yung sa laruan niya na kitchen toys. And then, ayan. So, ayan lang guys. So, meron tayong notebook dito nung sa for check-up ni Gab development, and other flashcards. And ito, proof guys, na lagi ko siyang binibilan ng colors. Ito, hindi ko pa pala natapon. So, ngayon, wala na sila. Nawala na as I've mentioned earlier. So, ayan. So, ito pa yung first folder. Ayan. So, ayan, first folder, learning folder na ginawa ko kay Gab. Yes. Ay, oo nga. Sharpener. Tasa natin ng pencil mo. Ayan. So, learning. Ayan. Ay, ito pala yung nilagay ko, guys. Tignan nyo. So, the first learning book of Gab. So, ayan. My alphabet workbook. This book belongs to Ares Gabriel C. Resos. So, ito pala yung book na ginawa ko. So, we have here my alphabet workbook. This book belongs to, tapos yung name ni baby. And ito guys, so nasira na rin siya. So, this is a sticker book. So, my sticker fun fluttery fairy activity book, which I bought from SM store din. Sa department store nila. Dun sa section ng stationery. So, ayan. So, maraming sulat yan. And then, this is a sticker book, pero yung mga stickers nawala na. Naubos na. Okay, so nagkukulay si Gab gamit yung highlighter na orange. Okay, Gab, we're done. Okay, so say bye na. Bye. Have a good day, sabihin mo.
Bye. Doon na kami.
Okay, Gab, say have a good day.
Good day.
Thank you so much
Thank you so much.
for watching. So guys, very important din pala na binibilhan nyo ng mga coloring books yung mga babies nyo, and inintroduce nyo sa kanila yung mga colors one by one kasi it helps them to because it helps them to recognize the names of the colors, to recognize colors. And parang yun yung pinaka-starting point nila, di ba? As a toddler, kailangan alam na nila yung mga colors and yung names ng colors, and also the alphabet letters. So, guys, iba-ibang facing yung mga bata, pero alam naman natin na with our effort as mommies, kayang-kaya natin yan. Kayang-kaya nilang matuto. So, kailangan lang talaga natin ng patience para sa kanila kasi toddler pa sila. They like playing a lot. And, kung pagod na silang mag-study, wag natin i-force, and then mamaya ulit, or kinabukasan ulit, or sa ibang araw ulit. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!